Hey everyone, Michael Ryan from ProCam Rentals here to quickly go over the dimensions, weights, and ranges of the DJI Inspire 2 light lifter drone. The dimensions of the drone are 32.51 inches in length, 32.4 inches in width, with a height of 12.48 inches. The flight times are 17 minutes to 23 minutes depending on what level of maneuvering you plan to do. And the aircraft weighs 5.31 pounds empty, requires two batteries that are about 2.27 pounds in total, and can carry a payload of 1.24 pounds because the camera is built into the drone chassis itself. In terms of the performance and limitations, it can go up to a cruise speed of 58 miles per hour or 50 knots and operate in temperatures from -4 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit with a maximum range of 2 to 4 miles visual line of sight. It can operate in winds up to 22 miles an hour or 19 knots. And it has a maximum takeoff weight of 8.82 pounds, so just under 9 pounds. On the video spec side, anywhere between 23976 to 30 frames with 17:9 aspect ratio shooting cinema DNG. It's going to give you 6K at 4.44 gigabytes per second with an effective sensor range of 23.5 by 12.55 millimeters. Shooting at the same frame rate in ProRes 422HQ, you're going to get 4K at 970.6 megabytes per second at the same effective sensor rate of 23.5 by 12.5 millimeters. The lens package now comes with 5 lenses. The 9.5 millimeter, not shown, a 16 millimeter, a 24 millimeter, 35 millimeter, and 50 millimeter. And in terms of record time, if you're shooting at Cinema DNG's maximum settings, you're going to get about 8 minutes per 240 gigabyte media card. If you're shooting at Apple ProRes 422HQ's max settings, you're going to get somewhere around 26 minutes per 240 gigabytes of media card. Now, I've provided the direct link to this equipment on ProCam's website, where you can get further details and download a PDF of these technical specs for your file. While you're there, make sure to check out all the stabilized remote heads, telescopic cranes, mobile bases, drones, specialty equipment, and cinema accessories ProCam offers. Also, right on the homepage are 2 great PDF resources I recommend you download: ProCam's product catalog and the Tech Scout Grid to help you quickly compare equipment specs on your Scouts. Hope this helps, and have a great production.